Honda Odyssey oil light oil lamp reset. Okay, turn it on to the accessory position, and you could see the oil change and the wrench that's lighting over in the left side. It's safe to press for 10 seconds. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's all blinking. Both are, the whole thing is blinking, and press again for 5 seconds. Hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all gone. It's all reset now. See? This is the Honda Odyssey 2010. I think this is pretty stupid. If they don't have the instructions on the car itself on how to reset this darn thing, I had to go to YouTube, and yeah, it's convenient for me because I have access to all that stuff. But what if I don't have that? I have to go to a mechanic and pay the guy to do this thing. It's not good. It has to be clear, you know, to reset it, a reset button that should be done. Because all we're doing is trying to change the oil, and that's it. Well, that's it for now. Thank you. This is a reminder to me and to anybody who finds this video helpful. Thank you.